ko na yung mga bata kasi galing na sila sa school.
Hello.
Hala!
Work is almost over, summer's getting closer.
Mga Zoobs! Ngayon naman papunta na tayo sa training ko sa pickleball. Dito pa rin yan syempre sa SM Marikina, sa Palu. Kasama ko na yung mga bata kasi galing na sila sa school.
Hello.
Hala! Pa-hello-hello pa kayo. Kaya samahan niyo kami ulit.
I'm eating rice.
Mimi!
Hello ako.
Nasisilaw ikaw.
Nandito na kami.
Oh, ang
I
galing
saw the
naman.
water level, guys. Also me. We learned that in school.
Oo. Kayo na lang mag-vlog, hindi na ako.
I have a new book at the Blue Cliff, remember?
Talaga?
Yeah, remember that?
I don't remember that. You didn't tell me yet. This is the first time.
This is the first time that I go to SM.
No, today, yeah. Kasi galing kayo sa school. Close your eyes, nasisilaw din ako. Ayan, so we are training now today with Coach Eric. First time ko naman siyang susubukan.
Yeah.
Dalawa kaming ite-train niya, I believe. And then, may sarili din kaming court this time, just like yesterday.
Like I played.
Baka may chance na maka-play kayo ng konti during our break. If may break, kasi dalawa kaming salitan. So, we will see.
I know Ate Sally's gonna be there.
Yeah. Are you friends with Ate Sally?
Yeah.
Yeah, galing naman.
I always play with Ate Snow.
Bait ba kayo? Pag nandun kayo kay Ate Sally? Yeah, good job.
Go to school tomorrow, Mom.
Siyempre, ikaw meron.
How about Lele?
Wala siya school tomorrow.
President's
Aha. Ako yung tuturuan eh. Or ako yung ano.
One more memes. There. Check out.
Sige lang, may bagat na ball. Ikaw mag-lesson after? Pagod na ako eh. Lakas ah. Mamaya. Mimi, mamaya na Mimi. Kapagod. Hindi pa ako tapos pero pagod na ako. Sabi ko kay Coach Eric, yung mga bata naman na mag-train habang nagpapahinga ako. Katapos ko lang. Nung post ko. Grabe! pahinga. Mga bata nag-i-enjoy silang kulot ng bola. You love it? Coach, pwede habang nagpapahinga ako sila, turuan mo. O yan, go Lele. Ito ka daw sa kabila. Okay. Thank you Lele. Anini. Dito ka lang.
Hit the ball. Try to hit the ball.
Mimi, you're next. Huh? You're next, Mimi? No? Ikaw din? Wanna hit the ball?
Like, only like this.
Ah, sige, wait.
Grabe. Lakas mo, Lele. Oh. That was too high. Good job, babe. Oi. Boom. Grabe. Grabe. Lakas. Let's go, bebe. Oops. That's all right, baby. Try and go higher. Whoops.
Look at the ball. Look at the ball.
Yan.
Oh, put the paddle behind. Ready? And hit.
Oops.
One more. Ready? Yan.
Yan, better.
Smash, smash, smash. Yan. Now here. Good.
That was better.
Very good. Now stay here. Hit. Okay, one more, one more. Do it like this. Put your legs like this. Put your paddle here. Step your left foot forward. Push your left foot here. Forward back. Yan. Like this. Yan. Here. Yan. Here.
Yan. Nice.
Ready? Yan.
Good shot.
Hitting it. Yay! Oh.
Oh,
Ready?
you got 3.
Okay.
Shot, babe. Oh!
Si Aliester naman. Ulit. Aliester. Uy, galing. Galing. Sino talaga matuto?
Your bag.
Opo. Why? Bakit? Mimi, bakit po?
Gusto ko mami mo.
Gusto mo money ko?
Yeah, a lot. I want a lot of money.
Anong buy mo?
I want to buy ice cream.
Ano bibilin mo? Be good girl para may ice cream ka.
I want to buy a lot.
Dami?
Yeah, a lot.
Ilan? Uubusin mo ba yun?
Yeah. All of them. Oh, wait.
Ay, naku. Magkano na yan?
500.
Wala akong 500 dyan.
And this pair
naman. Uy, pera ko yan. Wala kang dalang t-shirt.
Oh, I have that.
Let's go. I want to buy ice cream muna.
Mamaya, matatapos na tayo. Ha?
500.
Mahal naman ng ice cream mo.
Gusto ko 1 lang.
Sige. 20 lang yun.